YouTube isn't just a platform anymore, it's a money machine. But here's what 99% of creators don't realize. Some YouTube niches can make you 10 times more money than others, even with the same number of views. So today, I'll reveal the top 5 niches that can make you up to $10,000 per month in 2025, and listen carefully. Because the second niche on this list is the one almost no one is using right now, but it's exploding fast. Greater than, if you skip this video, you'll probably miss the chance to start a niche before it becomes too competitive. So watch till the end to find out which one's secretly growing right now. All right, let's jump straight in. And remember, each niche I mention gets more profitable as we go. 1. Finance and investment. This niche has been a goldmine for years, and it's not slowing down. Topics like saving money, investing, and side hustles can get RPMs of $20 to $50. Even a small creator can make serious money if they explain financial tips simply. Tip: focus on how to manage money as a beginner. It gets huge search traffic. 2. AI and automation. This one's the future. Everyone's obsessed with AI right now, and channels that teach tools like ChatGPT, Canvaai, or automation hacks are skyrocketing. Even simple AI websites you should know videos blow up fast. The best part? High-tech content means high-paying ads. Stick around, because the 4th niche I'll reveal is something almost no one talks about. 3. Online business and marketing. This niche teaches people how to earn online: affiliate marketing, drop shipping, or freelancing. These audiences are serious. They want to invest, and advertisers pay top dollar to reach them. If you know how to sell value, this niche can bring stable long-term income. 4. YouTube growth and creator tips. Now here's the underrated one. This niche exploded in 2023 to 2024, and it's still booming. Teaching creators how to grow, get monetized, or find ideas is incredibly valuable. The secret? Be the guide you wish you had when you started. If you mix your own experience with proven tricks, viewers trust you instantly. 5. Tech and gadgets. Tech never dies, it only evolves. If you love reviewing gadgets, apps, or tools, this niche gives you multiple income streams: ads, affiliate links, and sponsorships. Just imagine, one viral tech video can pay for your entire setup. So these were the top 5 YouTube niches that can make you $10,000 a month in 2025. But here's the truth. Success doesn't come from picking the perfect niche. It comes from starting now, because every day you wait, someone else uploads the video you were supposed to make. Tell me in the comments, which niche are you going to start with? And if you want me to reveal the exact niche with the highest RPM right now, make sure to subscribe. That's the next video.